This is the texture I downloaded. Here is the archive file. Here I am extracting it. Here are the individual files. Here is Blender. I'm going to use the standard cube. Over here I need to go to materials. I'm going to duplicate a material in case you want to keep your old material. I'm going to go to the shading tab. The important thing is this area down here. If you don't have a shading tab or something like that, then just drag up this part and change this thing to shading, shader editor. And then you can do it as well. But I'm going to use the shading tab. I'm going to make this part bigger so you can actually see. So we have principled BSDF here. But the important thing is that you go to Edit, Preferences, and then to Add-ons. And then you search for Node, and then you pick Node Wrangler. You have to enable that one. Then you close this. Now make sure Principled BSDF is selected, not Material Output, not nothing. Principled BSDF selected. Maybe zoom out a little. And then hit Ctrl-Shift-T. And then here in this window you will have to navigate to where your texture files are. These things, remember? Alright, go into that folder and then click on the first texture, hold down Shift, you can scroll up and down with the mouse wheel, and click on the last one. You can also use these views to make it easier to select, or move these things around. Alright, Principled Texture Setup, go. And here you are. It did all this stuff automatically. Let's look at the result. As you can see, it looks not too great. So what you do now is you press Tab, or you go to Edit Mode manually, and then you press U, or you go to UV, and then select Unwrap. And over at UV Editing. Alright, so while we're in Edit Mode, let's scroll to the right here with the middle mouse button pressing, and make sure we can actually see the texture. And if we go in here, click once, press A to select all, and then maybe zoom out a little, and then press S and move around, we can scale the texture. And in shading you can see the result. You can also just use this area and change it to UV editor. And then scale it around here. And there you go. Looks kinda good. I hope I didn't waste your time. Until next time, ciao.